sixth graders. I'm here at Disney's Animal Kingdom for the last weekend before we head back to school. I wanted to make a video for you guys to cover just the last few things that have to do with cells. So make sure you have your note page ready to go so you can take notes. Let's begin. Okay, so a few reminders about cells. I want to talk about the mitochondria and its importance with cellular respiration. You should have learned about cellular respiration in terms of homeostasis, so in terms of keeping the cell nice and balanced. You see, the cell needs energy, and that energy we call ATP. So that energy is made through cellular respiration, and that's done in the mitochondria. So sugar is used to make ATP. All of that happens in the mitochondria. Another part of the cell that I want to remind you about are the chloroplasts. The chloroplasts are only in plant cells, and that's the site of photosynthesis. And that's where the plant makes its own food. It happens in the chloroplast of the plant. That's where glucose is produced. And again, that helps the cells stay balanced. It helps the plant cells maintain homeostasis so that they have that food and energy to survive. Alright, a couple of new things that we need to learn about cells. There are actually two types of cells, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Now, eukaryotic cells are like the cells that we've been learning about, so cells that contain a nucleus and have other membrane-bound organelles, like the mitochondria. Prokaryotic cells are cells that have no nucleus, or no membrane-bound organelles at all. These are cells like bacteria, like Dr. Greg was telling us about. Their DNA just kind of floats around in the cell. It's not bound by a membrane like the nucleus in eukaryotic cells. I remember the difference between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells by thinking of the word you, like you and me. So you can think of it as you are made up of eukaryotic cells, cells that have a nucleus. And prokaryotic cells are cells without a nucleus, like bacteria. Well, Mr. Burball and I have had a great day at Animal Kingdom. Take a look at some of the photos we took throughout the day. Enjoy! Is it rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, you going?
Yeah.
Oh. Prokaryotic cells. Now, eukaryotic cells are similar to the cells that... No, hold on.
Oh.
Okay. Eukaryotic cells are like the cells that we've been learning about. They are... Oh, hold on. Okay. So the way I remember the difference between eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic... I should start with prokaryotic cells. Okay. These are cells like bacteria, like Dr. Greg was talking about. Okay.